The building is stunning. All right, so this is where I'm getting a real authentic feel of Guatemala City. And unlike other parts that I've been to, I feel so comfortable recording here. I don't know why, but it's just Plaza de la Constitución, which I am at right now. Constitution Plaza translate. It's this wide central square. We have the cathedral right here. We'll talk about a little more later. We have some other buildings. I'll shortly get the name of them to you. And look at this. Just all throughout, there's a fountain that sometimes on. I guess it's not on today. You have street vendors here. And it's a very nice area. I am so glad I'm here because now I'm getting the authentic feel of Guatemala City walking through this, because it's all regular people. There are no tourists, literally none whatsoever. I haven't seen a single tourist yet here, anywhere in the city. But that's okay. That means it's more fun for me. So yeah, I'm so excited for this. I also feel safe right now recording on my phone. I don't know why. Honestly, there's like less of a police presence here, but like more of a residential presence. It just seems like people are hanging out. So I guess maybe that's why I feel more comfortable. It felt like I was in a bubble when I was in the Central Business District. Plaza de la Constitución is where they have all of their festivals and large gatherings, especially because Guatemalans love to party. So this is literally a perfect space. Like, look at all of this openness. I love how right in the center, it's the Guatemalan flag. And let me tell you, that flag is huge. Like, honestly, that may be one of the biggest flags I have ever seen just flown in a park before. Right there was where the government used to stand. It's the former National Palace. And the building is stunning. It's absolutely stunning. I mean, the green, the way you never see government buildings that are green, and the way this is like that, wow. And it just has such a Central American architectural feel with it. You have the window set up and the facade. It just, you know, you can see it from anywhere you are in like the surrounding area. And I love the designs of, they have, I don't even know what they are, but these cool designs, like one of them's right under the flag that I see. And I don't know, you feel its grandeur. They also have Roman columns as well, which is really cool. I also love all this greenery. Like right in front of the green building, you have these trees and little bushes and grass. I just think that overall, it just enhances the color combination, because as you could see, the green has faded a little bit over time on the actual building. So it, you know, having this, it just brings out another element. This really plays into the trend of just how colorful of a country Guatemala is. They love their bright colors. And when you think of Central America, you think of bright colors, but when you think of Guatemala, at least for me, I think of like Mayan tradition, and the Mayan culture had extremely bright colors. So very, very different than what we see in the United States and a lot of Europe, where the colors are, you know, more so on like, I don't want to say like the beige side, but you know, like more dull. This is such a beautiful building. It really is. And the way, then now we're gonna head over to the cathedral, another beautiful, beautiful building. The amount of history is crazy. The cathedral is stunning. It really is. And what's interesting about it is that it incorporates many European and Roman elements with the Central American elements as well. I mean, for example, you have the dome and you have the Roman columns that are set up right in front, and you just have the pilasters, and this overall gives like a very, very European-y feel to it. You look at some of the old European churches. I wonder if this was, you know, built by the Spanish actually, and that's why it looks European. But you also have some Central American elements as well. I mean, look at the blue of the dome, how it allows it to just like pop out. And then here as well, it's very long and not like crazy tall, but yeah, the length. Central American cathedrals tend to be very long. Make Plaza de la Constitución your starting point, because it's the best place to get a feel for the city, get a feel for the culture.